Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe. So, today, children, in grammar, we are going to read chapter 7, that is common and proper nouns. In that, we will do about the common noun. So, first of all, we will know what is a noun. So, a noun, it is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. So, all of you know that each and everything can be identified by its name. So that particular name, the name that has been given, that is called a noun. Okay. So here in this section, today we will do about the common noun. So what is common noun? Common noun is the general name given to anything, and that is not in the capital letter. And then in the next class we will discuss about the proper noun, that is a specific name given to anything, and that you will see that it starts with a capital letter. Now common nouns today. What are common noun? So common noun is the name that is given given in common to people, places, and things and animals. So anything which has been given a common name, that is called a common noun. So it does not belong to any particular person, place, or thing. They are just the common names. Like, see with example like book, table, car, water, milk, oil, music, art, literature, dog, woman, teacher. Let us understand with this woman. So what happens when you see a woman, then after seeing you understand if a group of women are there. Okay, if the women are standing over there, then what by seeing them you understand that okay, this person, these people, they are women. Okay, now what happens, or the teacher, when the teachers are, when you see your teachers standing over there, you understand that okay, they are teachers and they are teaching you, they have been given a name teacher in common. Okay, now see, let us understand common names. Everything we can see or discuss is represented by a word that names it. Yes, so everything what we are talking about, okay, it has a name. It has a name. Okay, it has been represented. It has a name. Like you can see here, football, owl, guitar. So, or everything has a name, and that is common noun. See, a common noun is the word for something. Example boy. Now see, example boy, it is different from a proper noun. See, the common noun is different from the proper noun. How? Which is the name we give to something. Suppose you some boys, okay, some boys are sitting over there, and now what happens when they sit, we can identify that okay, there's a boy sitting over there. But among those boys, if I call the name of the child and say Anil, you come here, then what happens, that person has been given what, a proper name by his parents. He has been given a proper name, and that is Anil. So here you will understand that about to whom I am talking, to that particular person. So that becomes the proper noun, and the whole people over there, okay, the children over there, so they have been called the boys. Okay, now see, a common noun is used for a class of person, place, or thing. So a whole class, a whole group, they have been called as, have been given the name like tea, girl, lake. So these are common noun. Now what happens if they have been like Earl Grey? That is a proper noun given to the tea. And then girl. She has been given proper name Elizabeth. In common she is called a girl. But what happens? Given a proper name, and that is Elizabeth. Lake. Which lake? Talking about which lake? Lake Erie. So lake, that is, that has been given the name as a lake, and then the water, small water body, given the name lake. And talking about the Lake Erie, that is proper noun. Now suppose you want to go to another city, okay, and there you want to visit that city. Then what happens? There you will be asked that where did you visit. Then suppose you have gone to you have suppose you have gone to Ranchi. Okay, they have gone to Ranchi. Then people will ask you where had you gone. Then you can say that in a common, that is city, and then in proper, Ranchi. Okay, so a proper noun is used for a specific person, place, or thing. Suppose you go to your village also. Many of you visit your village. So that place has been given the name village, and you have different of people, they have different names of the villages. So you can understand that, okay, about which village Mrs. asking. Suppose about your village, I'll say. Then you can understand that that will be the proper name and the village will be the common name. Now common nouns do not get capital letter. So common noun, they do not start with capital letter unless it starts a sentence or is part of a proper noun. A common noun is not written with a capital letter. So what happens? The common noun, they don't start with a capital letter. Okay? When they will start with capital letter? When they will be in the beginning of the sentence. Why? Because you know that the sentence starts with a capital letter. Like that boy wants to play with Simon. Now that boy wants to play with Simon. So here, what is boy? Boy is the common noun. Okay, boy is the common noun over there. And so it has been written in a small letter. Understood? And then what is the Simon? Simon is the proper noun, proper name given to the girl. See. Do not be tempted to give a word a capital letter just because it's an important word in your sentence. So don't think that it is a important word in the sentence. So you will start writing it in capital letters. Now see here, I need water. So don't think that there water will be in the capital letter, because the word water is a common noun. It's not a proper noun. So don't give a common noun a capital letter unless it starts a sentence. Now see again, common noun, any noun that does not name a particular person, place, a thing or idea. That is common noun. For people, let us see. Teenagers, adult, student. Example, these are teacher, person, child, friends, boys, girls, man, woman. So etc. So these are the common names given to people. Places, streets, parks, deserts, countries, restaurants, school, city, buildings, shops, etc. Common names. Things, computers, music, books, pens, papers, ninjas, desk, cat, dog, iguana, etc. Ideas, love, pride, idea, liberty, attention, freedom, compassion, intention, motivation, etc. Now, now see here, common nouns. Example, leave that fifth example. Examples. So how many books are there in the library? So what is common noun? Books, common noun. Library, common noun. Okay, not particular name, but the books in group. How only learning is not of much value unless you possess the physical strength. So here learning is the common noun. His speech was impeded by the laughter of the audience. So speech and audience, common noun. James looked at the window growing into dusk. He comes from a noble family. The kids are playing in the park. You have to pick out the common nouns from here. The kids are playing in the park. So kids and park. Donald Trump visited different countries during his tenure as a president. So countries and president. We visited the zoo last night. So zoo, proper noun. Her mother is a government officer. So mother, here common noun, and then officer also will be common noun. I used to live in this city 5 years ago. So city, it will be common noun. Now Read the sentence and circle the common noun. It is for you children. Joe is her cousin. So what is a common noun in this? Cousin. Then I like these beautiful flowers. Flowers. She played with her brother. What is common noun? Brother. The bus stopped suddenly. Bus. Birds migrate when it gets cold. Birds. Now let us see whether we are correct or not. Okay, sixth one that I. So Zoe is her cousin. Correct. I said cousin. I like these beautiful flowers. Flowers. She played with her brother. Correct. The bus stopped suddenly. Bus. Birds migrate when it's cold. Birds. Correct. Good. So thank you everyone. I think you might have understood. So have a good day. Bye.